working it out. Intended miracles. I'm breaking up the brick out just to get you feeling, yo. Can't pretend not to know now what I really know. How to rock the show, how to flow, information grow. Take your time, yes, the rhythm spiritual.
Please take the time to let your light shine. It's a sign you can feel the divine sun flashed with tons of one-on-one tactics that can have drastic effects on your spiritual. Take the time to let your light shine. It's a sign you can feel the divine sun flashed with tons of one-on-one tactics that can have drastic effects on your physical. Take the time to check my lyrical thesis as he breaks your physical to pieces, making one spiritual. Please, it's just another miracle from Jesus. That's y'all are hearing this track. I hope that y'all are feeling this. Fact is, I'm sitting down to write this. Fact is, I'm getting down to like this. Cause like this intense is burning up your flesh and exposing all the bones in your closet, wasting all the water in your faucet, destroying all the goods in your market, taking all the aim from your target. Cause like this intense is blowing up your cipher. Got y'all pushing up your life, ripping through the streets like a viper, flipping all types of lyrics. Cause it's an all